Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Nomad eSIM on Android. First, make sure you purchase your eSIM plan from Nomad. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive a QR code either inside the Nomad app or through your email. Next, open your phone settings. If you're using a Samsung or Google Pixel, go to Connections, SIM Manager, or for other Android phones, go to Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and eSIM. Now, tap Add eSIM, then tap Next, and scan the QR code you received from Nomad. Wait a few minutes while the eSIM downloads. Don't close the screen during this step. Once the download is complete, go back to your eSIM settings, find your Nomad eSIM, tap the three dots, and choose Enable. And that's it. Your Nomad eSIM is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.